Change gear conveniently with the automatic transmission. Press the brake pedal and push the gear change button to change gears. When changing gears, always make sure that the gear indicator on the cluster or the gear change indicator displays the desired gear. When in R or D, the vehicle will move if the brake pedal is not depressed. Always keep the brake pedal depressed whilst stopped. Changing gear whilst driving may damage the transmission, so always come to a complete stop before shifting gear.
Kia, movement that inspires.